Hey guys, welcome back. And today I'm going to be doing candle slime. And if you don't know what candle slime is, then I'll tell you. Candle slime is basically so you grab one of your candles if you have one. Of course you don't have one. Okay, you grab one. You have a candle, and you put it, you heat it up until it has melted, which I'm going to do in the microwave. And after you do that, you just pour it in a bowl and then mix it in with some glue and some stapler or water solution into its slime. And that's basically candles. So without further ado, let's get started.
So right now, I'm going to start out by taking out my the tap of my candle. So now, since I'm just gonna take out the candle of inside because it is steel, and if I heat up steel in the microwave, it's gonna cause a fire. So that's why I'm taking it out and put it in a bowl. Then I'm just gonna put it in a glass bowl because glass resists from the heating. Now finally I'm just picking up the little pieces from the floor, maybe from the table. Now I'm gonna pour it into a glass and cup, a bowl, and I'm taking out the black pieces. Now I'm putting it in the microwave for 30 seconds. It finished heating, so now ignore that. Okay, I heated it again and it became like liquid. So now I'm basically gonna add in some Elmer's glue inside of my bowl, and yeah. So I finally finished putting the glue in. So now I'm just going to close it, and now I'm gonna mix that all in. And just so you know, guys, it's a little hard to mix. I don't know why, but just the wax is so hard to mix in with the glue. So I had to mix a lot. Well, not a lot, like medium time. Now the color, it turned out to be yellow. And sorry, I didn't get to show you the activator, guys, because I don't know, I forgot. I just put some borax in some warm water. So yeah, guys, please comment, like, and subscribe. I please hope I get 10 subscribers by the end of this. months because I only have 5. So yeah, please comment, like, and subscribe to this video, and comment down if you liked this video, and please share to your friends so they can also subscribe to me.